So let's breathe into a time of meditation together. We'll let our sound get worked out while there we go. It's just a reminder of the practice that so often we want the outside to initiate the peace and the calm. And we're called to breathe in and to birth the peace and the calm from the inner temple, from our inner awareness. So we take time this morning in our own way to really have extended time in the silence, extended time in the practice, knowing that we are together in the practice this morning, that it is elevated by each body practicing with us. All of those in this sanctuary right here, standing on this sacred ground, and all of those joining us online, that our togetherness has a real energy to it. It has a real support to it. That we are not alone, and where two or more are gathered, there is the flow of life between us with shared intention and shared commitment for our awakening, our expansion, our development. So we inhale and exhale, allowing ourselves to fully arrive here in this moment. Opening our hearts, our minds, our spirits to the peace that is already here, that doesn't need to be created, that simply we may loosen the resistance, loosen the thinking, and let it reveal itself. God is everywhere present and inexhaustible. It's God expressing as peace and love, as hope and faith within our being. Is flowing freely with no restrictions, no restraint, no limitation, no opposite. So we breathe into that, allowing ourselves to relax even more deeply into this now moment. Cherishing the time in the quiet and leaning in to the stillness. Allowing the body to become so still. Remembering that a quiet mind follows the stillness of body. And just lifting up and releasing anything and everything that we are willing to let go of. Limitations of thought or mind. And with each breath, we affirm we are open. We are receptive. We are responsive. And we breathe and be in the quiet nourishment of the extended silence. We allow ourselves to deepen the practice. All source is here. The fullness of our source is right here in this very breath, in this very moment, in this very room. So we are open from center to circumference, from head to toe, to this radiating light. Right where we are, God is. Right where we are, there is more than enough love, more than enough hope, more than enough peace. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.